live.
We're talking diamonds today because it's April and that is your birthstone, and you are the luckiest of lucky if you were born in April. A, because it's spring, and everybody comes out of their dark winter depression, and B, because your birthstone is a diamond. At least for me, it's the luckiest. Maybe not for you.
But I think it's very lucky. I mean, you could have gotten a pair of them.
Today we're talking about diamonds, and we are talking all different types of diamonds that we have. Mainly rings, because you guys love rings, and also we have some really cool new rings in stock.
Yes.
So you want to talk about some of the cool new rings?
I'm going to talk about this one first just because I've never seen one quite like it.
My husband thought I would love to have that. I was like, oh, I have those blade things that's very similar. But it's very cool, and it was almost a yoink.
Okay, that makes sense to me because this is one of those rings where I feel like I hope I'm here when it sells, or I hope I get to meet the person who picks it out, because it's just so cool. It looks like they're in motion, but they're all attached this way. Sorry, I got excited. It's modern. It has 1.36 carats of round brilliant diamonds. It's of course 14 karat yellow gold. It's a size 9 right now. So it would be a great pointer finger ring for some people, or maybe 9 is your size. It's inventory number 17164 if you want to look it up on the website. Price is $41.50.
Let's talk about this beauty. This beauty is new to our inventory. It's an eternity band, so that means it goes all the way around. It is very, very, very sparkly. They've done a black rhodium finish around each diamond. It is in yellow gold, and then it has this wonderful sandblast texture as well. Yeah. It's very architectural. I think this could be a cool thing for her too. We're plotting for somebody that we know very, very well. This one is set with 5.62 carats of round brilliant diamonds. I believe they're all GIA certified, which they are. It is stock number 6859, and it is 14,750. And I would also love to see this stacked with something else, because this beauty is just sparkly all the way around. Maybe a big, thick donut yellow gold band, that would be fantastic, or even platinum bands on each side. It would be lovely. Lovely.
I mean, wouldn't that just be the coolest if that was someone's like wedding band or their just wedding ring?
Yes, it would be very cool. It's super functional and easy to wear. Why don't I can take a camera and film. You want to go say hi real quick? That's part of it being live. We're a real store.
We're live. It's
No, I'm filming you. Hi.
This is like the old days.
Yeah, this is here. Let me see if I can flip the camera around. Okay, Sharon and I used to do Instagram live like this.
Together all the time.
Let's do it again. Come on. Okay, so we're talking other rings. Hold on, I'm gonna switch the camera back. So, I did something wrong. See this? They don't let me do this anymore. I lied. There we go. I'm back. Okay.
We're back. Okay, so I want to talk about this new by Filigree ring. It is a 1.01 carat marquee cut, but I feel like the way we said it, it almost looks like, is it an oval? Is it a marquee?
Yeah, I thought it's like a moval,
yes.
I thought.
So I feel like for people who can't decide or think they want a moval, this would be a great option.
I love the proportion of the tapered band. It's really, really pretty.
It's so
How big
well
is
done.
it?
This 1.01 carat, it's an H in color. It's a GIA certified stone. Inventory number 17157, and it's priced at $4,975.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Under 5K, that's beautiful.
That is beautiful. It's a huge look.
Yeah, I think that the bezel around it, the way it's designed, it just makes it
Look
big
that
presence.
much bigger.
Yeah,
that much
like
bigger.
It. So I guess I should
Keep
go on to
talking.
the next one.
Yeah, let's
All
get in that sunshine too
All
while we're
right,
at
let's
it.
do it. Okay, so we're doing old school like we used to. We're going to talk about this new baby.
It looks fantastic in the
sparkling
sunshine.
like
Yes,
crazy?
It is.
It's been a week for Asher cuts, and just a lot of clients asking about them and reminding us how much we love them and how special they are.
One of the other staff members came to me and said, Catherine, is there something different about this Asher cut? Does it have more facets or something? Because it's so sparkly.
It is so good. I should tell you the carat weight on that one.
Yes. Come to the light.
It is 4.05 carats. It's M in color, VS1 clarity. It is priced at $36,500, and if you want to look it up on our website, it's inventory number 6818.
Yum.
Ooh.
Yum, yum, yum.
It's perfection.
Oh.
I can see little rainbows on your phone.
So one of the best things about making and repurposing the diamonds that we have used for our by Filigree line, which these are all by Filigree,
yes,
is that we get to tweak either a little bit of like vintage ideas. So when you have a round brilliant diamond with tapered baguettes in the middle, you've seen that throughout, whether it's the late 1930s all the way up to the 50s and then the 90s again. And this is a different modern take on it as well. It's slightly raised too with bars on the end, and then it has a bezel around the center, which I really, really love. This center stone is GIS certified. It is a 1.51 carat GSI2. It's in 14 karat yellow gold, and then there's some diamond weight for the sides, and it's 11,750, and it looks like a 2.5 carat.
It really looks so
It looks
big.
massive on your hand, and part of it is that bezel, but it also protects the stone. It's very easy to wear, no prongs to catch on anything. It's really a delightful, new, updated version of the classic tapered baguette round brilliant ring, which I love. I love
So
it.
true.
Love
Just
it.
a little difference makes a big difference in a piece of jewelry.
It does.
Catherine suggested we talk about these, and I love them. They are also Asher cut diamonds. Each one is just a hair over a carat. They are F and E in color, so if they seem like just about the whitest diamonds, they're pretty much right up there next to the whitest diamonds you could get. They are priced at $11,750. The inventory number is 14701, and maybe I should try one on or hold it up just so you get a sense of the scale.
I like this for Asher cuts, especially 1 carat Asher cuts, because it intensifies the diameter once you drop them from your ear. If they're close to on your earlobe, it looks a little bit smaller for a 1 carat Asher.
So true.
But once you drop them, they look like a 1 carat diamond coming off of your ear. Oh, those are so pretty.
We had a pair of teeny little Asher cut diamond studs that I thought maybe I should have those, and they sold like instantaneous. Like didn't even have a minute to think about them.
Got it.
We'll see how long these stay.
We do? I think that's really great.
We can do that.
Okay, we have some new Cartiers in stock, my friends. These are Cartier Tank Francaise. They're in stainless steel. They are factory diamonds. One has the box and the card with it, and the other has just the box. The smaller one has the box and the card with it. This one is the 20 by 25. It's reference number W4TA008 if you want to look up the size online. I will also try them both on. And this one is $6,400. What a great way to do a wonderful Mother's Day present, or if you've had a child in April that diamonds are their birthstone and she doesn't necessarily want a new diamond ring or a new diamond pendant, adding diamonds to a watch is a perfect thing to do. This one is the 25 by 30 millimeter, reference number W4TA009. Now I'm going to try on the difference. I'm a woman of some height. I'm about 5'7" and change.
I think of you as 5'8.5".
You do?
I do.
That's because I always have on heels.
That's true. You're always much taller than me. I know that much.
It's my sheer presence that
It's
makes me a woman of
it's your
stature.
personality. It's the whole package.
So this is the smaller version. I'm going to put the other one on as well, real quick. Hold on. And the Tank Francaise was modeled after the tank lines at post-World War I, actually, and the tanks that went throughout Europe. And you can see that the bracelet, when I get this guy on, you'll see that the bracelet mimics the tank lines that would have been left in the dirt or the sand. So these are the two different options available. They have full links. I have a large wrist. We can take links out if you prefer. Also both very unisex as well.
I agree.
If you're a gentleman that would like to wear some diamonds. So the smaller one is $6,400, and Sharon's going to tell you the price of the...
It is $7,800.
$7,800 for the larger one. And the nice thing about Cartier watches is that they add this really cute sapphire turner right here on the sides, on the crown. Very functional to wear, very easy with that Roman numeral dial.
It just something, I mean, anytime you get something that's Cartier, you are buying a piece of like history that is significant in the jewelry world, but a piece that, you know, goes back so far, over 100 years with the story behind it.
With
and
the design.
The design.
Yeah.
So much good history behind so much great jewelry that we
So
have here.
all of these except for one pair of earrings, I think, is on our new arrivals
Yes.
page. Check it out online at filigreejewelers.com and DM us if you have any questions.